All right, here we go with this week's lesson. I'm going to show you a resource website called the Ruler Game that will help us learn and drill and practice using the inch in preparing for our test tomorrow. So what I'd like you to do is go ahead and go to Google and type in the Ruler Game. All right. When you do that, you're going to, of course, open up Google and you're going to see the Ruler Game. We're going to click on that. And we're going to go to the menu, and we're going to go to the new inch Ruler Game, and we're going to get something that looks like this. All right. And the first thing I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and go to the settings. I want you to go to the timer, turn the timer off. The timer is just going to stress us out while we're practicing. And then we're going to hit play game. And we're on level 1. You can see that the timer is not moving around. You can see now we have this measurement that says we're going to click to select. And so what I want to do is I'm going to go to 2 and 5/8, 2 full inches, and 5/8 to the next. All right, 1/8, 3/8, 5/8. 2 and 3/16, 2, 1, 2, 3, 16. 11/16. All right, so if you remember, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1/4. There's a half, so we're going to come back to 1 out of those 4 equal parts. 5, 8, 1, 3, 5. 2 and 1/4, or 2 and 1/4. There's that half, so we're going to come back again. 1/2, that one's simple. 2 and 5/8, 2, 1, 3, 5. 3 and 5/16, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 and 3/4, there's a half, there's 3/4 to the next. You can see that I leveled up to level 2. Now I'm not going to do this the entire time, but I'm going to show you now what I want you to do. I now want you to go ahead and I want you to earn 300 points, okay? Keep playing until you get 300 points. Now, what you're going to notice is once you get to level 2, the points are going to go up pretty quickly. So you're only going to have to actually answer a few of them, and you're going to be up to 200 and 300 in no time. And when you get to level 3, they'll be worth more points. So it's going to go up pretty quickly, pretty fast. All right, now, if you get one wrong, okay, you're going to get an X. If you get 3 strikes, then you have to restart, which is not going to help you out to earn 300 points. So you have to take your time, just like I was doing, and going ahead, 1, 3/16, 1, 2, 3. Take your time and get them correct so you can easily get the 300 points. Now, in order for me to know that you have 300 points, you're going to have to screenshot your screen. So you're going to do that by going ahead and taking the control button, and then there is a button on the top row that has a little square on it and 2 little buttons, or 2 little lines, excuse me. So you're going to hit control and that, and it's going to screenshot. You can see that over here. And then you can copy it to your clipboard and then paste it into the document that I'm going to ask you to put in there later. So that's what I'm going to have you do first. And then once you get 300 points, or you end up, when you finally get your 300 points and you screenshot it, then you're going to go back to the settings. This time you're going to turn the timer on, and I want you to see how long you can last before you get 3 strikes. And then I want you to see if you can get the highest score and then post that score. So we're going to play the game now with the timer on. Now when we do that, you can see the timer is going to start going down. Now I can quickly know that 9/16 is right after a half. There's 2, 3 and 7/8. I know that one's down here on the end. 3 1/4. 2 and 5/16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 and 1/16. All right, and then 11. It's going to be 9, 10, 11. All right, now you can watch if I time out, if I go ahead and I don't find this back and forth, I'm trying to hurry, and I can't get it correct, then I'm going to get a strike because it's not finished. So you're going to have to keep going fast. But you do get 3 strikes to try to see. And then I do want you to do the same thing. I want you to screenshot using control and that middle button, the middle one with the square and the 2 lines. Screenshot your score again and post it into the document that I'm going to give you a copy of or access to in your Google Classroom. So I want you to do that. And then I'm going to also post a mini quiz to see how you're going to do, because you have a test tomorrow. So the mini quiz and then your test tomorrow. So you're going to have 2 or 3 things to do for today. Listen carefully. You do not have to worry about an attendance question. So those are done. We don't have to worry about those. That will save us all a headache. But you're going to jump onto the ruler game. You are going to play until you get 300 points, and you're going to screenshot that. Then you're going to play again with the timer off to see how many points you can get, and you're going to screenshot that. Then you're going to take a mini quiz. I think it's only 9 or 10 questions, and then be prepared for your test tomorrow. Your packet will need to be done also when you come back to school. So if you are, when you come back, your packet needs to be done. Okay, so be ready for that as well, and your packet will turn in, and you'll do your final test when you come back, and measurement will be over, and then we can move on. All right, great job, and we will see you soon in class.